morning, boys and girls. Today we are working on comparing and contrasting the two stories, The Mitten and the Hat. And for this, what you're going to do, these two circles that are overlapping in the center is called a Venn diagram. So what I would like you to do is try to sound out your words the best you can, or you can also draw pictures. But what happened only in the mitten that did not happen in the hat goes over here. So if there was a character that was only in the mitten and not in the hat, you would draw or write that character over here on this side of the circle. If there was a character that was in the hat only and not in the mitten, those characters go over here on this circle. Also, there's a real big difference because what item is in the hat that they're using and talking about? The hat, right? So you could write hat and the word is right here on the book, or you can draw a picture or both. And then over here for the mitten, what were the animals using or talking about? The mitten, right? So the word mitten is right here on the book as well, and you could also draw a picture with that. There are some animals that are in both stories, so you could write or draw those animals in this overlapping part of the circle. That means that it happened in both of the books. Also, what does it look like outside in both of the books? What season do you think that it is in the books? Season? Yeah, season. Even looking at the covers, you could kind of tell what is the same about the setting. Outside, and is it in the summer, or in the spring, or the fall, or is it in the winter? Okay, so that goes in the overlapping part of the circle, and then the animals that are only in the mitten go on this side, and animals that are only in the hat go on this side. Okay, do your best, try your best, draw your pictures, and then sound it out the best that you can. And you guys will do a fantastic job. I hope that you really enjoyed both of these stories. I really liked Jan Brett's stories, and I hope that you did too.